Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Government and Private Jobs for Diploma Mechanical 21st May 2021. In this video you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every bi-week we will upload new job video for diploma holders. This week in this video we are included 3 government jobs, 4 private jobs and 3 apprenticeship training. All jobs said in this video are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. This week, let us start with private jobs. In private job, first one is Mechanical Diploma Technical Trainee Program at JBM Group, New Delhi. JBM Group is a diversified conglomerate with presence in automotive, education and engineering services in India. With a major presence of around 3 decades, the group has earned recognition, awards and accolades globally. The group pioneered and revolutionized the industry with state-of-art technology in the field of automotive engineering and design, and today has 33 manufacturing plants, 5 engineering and design centers across 19 locations worldwide. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post are freshers or 0 to 1 year. Number of posts available are 400. Desired candidate profile. Candidates must be diploma mechanical, only fresher. Vacancy of 400 plus, bulk hiring for sheet metal industry or automobile industry. Location is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat and Gurgaon. Industry type is automobile. Function area is production manufacturing. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested or eligible candidates can see the detailed notification on the website as shown on screen and can send your resume on given mail IDs as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and mail IDs in my description also. Different plants have different number of vacancies are there. J5 plant at Gujarat have 200 vacancies. Plant at Gurgaon has 50 vacancies. Plant at sector 37A at Gurgaon have 50 vacancies. Plant at sector 3 Manesar have 50 vacancies. N5 plant sector 37A Gurgaon also have 50 vacancies. For applying in each plant, there are separate mail IDs are given. I will provide these website IDs and mail IDs in my description. You can take these mail IDs from my description also. Next is Operation Trainee Engineer Mechanical at Maini Precision Products Private Limited. We are diversified manufacturer and supplier of high precision components and assemblies, catering to a global climate in the automotive and industrial and aerospace sector. We believe we are a one-stop solution provider to our clients with a capability to manufacture a diverse range of products across sector. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary offered are 1,75,000 to 2,50,000 per annum. Job description. Experience required for the post is 0 to 2 year in a CNC and VMC operation. Fresh employees will be given on job training with the CNC simulators in Maini Learning Center. Role is operation trainee. Industry type is automobile. Function area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Interested candidates can send your detailed resume to the mail ID as shown on screen and can apply through online through the Google form as shown on screen. I will provide these website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Diploma Mechanical Engineer at Sherlock Plastic Private Limited, Silvassa. Sherlock Plastic is a leading manufacturer and supplier of cable ties, special purpose ties, metal toothpick ties, automotive ties, stainless steel ties and SS band. With an advanced manufacturing facility at Silvassa, our production reached 5 million cable ties per day. We are on ISO 9001-2008 BSI certified company and the largest manufacturer of cable ties and accessories in terms of range and metric ton production capacity in India. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary offered are 1,25,000 to 1,50,000 per annum. Job description. To operate the machine in tool room and production department, prepare the hourly report, required candidates profile should be ready to work in shift hours and in Silvassa must have an analytical skills. Role is diploma mechanical engineer or operator. Industry type is petrochemical plastics. Function area is machine operator. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the link as shown on screen. Next is Diploma Engineering Trainee at ASHI India Glass Limited, AIS. ASHI India Glass Limited is India's leading integrated glass solution company and dominant player both in the automotive and architectural glass segment. It commands over 70% of market share in the Indian passenger car glass market. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher of 0 to 1 year experience. Salary offered are 1 lakh to 1,25,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: glass handling, glass inspection, CNC training, operation training for 2 years post which you are assessed and if found suitable, confirmed as junior engineer on probationary period for further 1 year. Desired candidate profile: only male candidates. Percentage of criteria 50% throughout. Role is trainee. Industry type is glass or glassware. Function area is production manufacturing. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can send your latest CV to the mail ID as shown on screen or can apply through their website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is government jobs. Now let us see this opportunity. Scientific Assistancy through Stipendary Trainee Category 1 at Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, IGCAR. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, IGCAR, is one of India's premier nuclear research center. It is the second largest establishment of the Department of Atomic Energy next to Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC. IGCAR was established in 1971 as an exclusive center dedicated to pursuit of fast reactor science and technology due to the vision of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. IGCAR invited for stipended trainee category 1 for the period of 2 years, and on successful completion of training, trainees will be considered for absorption in the scientific assistancy depending on their performance during the period of training and interview held at the end of the training. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Age limit is 18 to 24, number of posts are 25 for mechanical diploma holders. Pay and allowances during stipendary training time are 16,000 and 18,000 on first and second year of training. After that, if absorbed to scientific assistancy, then salary will be 44,900 plus admissible allowances. Application fee is 200 for general category and no fee for SC, ST, women candidates. Selection procedure: there will be a written examination of 2-hour duration and will comprise of 100 objective multiple type questions with the syllabus diploma mechanical. Those candidates qualifying in the written examination shall be shortlisted for interview. Final selection and ranking will be on the basis of performance of the candidates in the interview and no weightage will be given for the marks scored in the written examination. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill application on IGCAR website as shown on screen on or before 3rd June 2021. Its last date was extended to 3rd June 2021. If you want to know more about this opportunity, please watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. I will provide that channel's video link in my description also. Next is Executive Mechanical at Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India, DFCCIL. DFCCIL is a Schedule A public sector undertaking under the administrative control of Government of India. DFCCIL is run by the Government of India's Ministry of Railway to undertake planning, development and mobilization of financial resources and construction, maintenance and operation of the dedicated freight corridors. The applicant should possess the essential qualification as on the closing date of application, that means 23rd May 2021. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification is diploma in mechanical engineering with 60% of mark. Age limit is 18 to 27. Age relaxation will be there as per government rules. Post code is 25. Pay and allowances 30,000 to 1,20,000 plus industry DA. Application fees 900 for general category and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen. Selection procedure. There will be a computer-based test, objective, multiple choice type having 120 questions. Those candidates qualifying in the CBT should go through document verification, interview and medical test for the final selection. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill application on DFCCIL website as shown on screen on or before 23rd May 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Technical assistant at CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories Bengaluru's last date is 21st May 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description also. That's all for government jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is technician apprentice at National Mineral Development Corporation NMDC. National Mineral Development Corporation is a government-owned mineral producer. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Steel, Government of India. It is involved in the exploration of iron ore, copper, rock phosphate, limestone, dolomite, gypsum, bentonite, magnesite, diamond, tin, tungsten, graphite, etc. NMDC Limited BIOM Bacheli Complex is inviting application for graduate technician and trade apprentice. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Number of vacancies are 13. Qualification is mechanical engineering diploma pass out after 2018. Stipend offered are 16,000 per month. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link www.mhrdnats.gov.in. After enrolling into NATS portal, students candidates should submit email to the mail ID as shown on screen. The resume affixed with a recent passport size photograph on the right corner, registration number in apprenticeship portal, address for communication, email ID, mobile number along with proof for date of birth, address, qualification and caste certificate etc. in photocopy or scanned copy for verification. The marks obtained in degree or diploma, ITA, all semester must be mentioned clearly. Email should reach on or before 15th June 2021. If you need to know more about this opportunity, you can watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. I will provide that video link in my description also. Next is Diploma Apprentice at Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited, Devas. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. Sun Pharma is the fourth largest specialty generic pharmaceutical company supported by more than 40 manufacturing facilities. We provide high quality, affordable medicines trusted by healthcare professionals and patients to more than 100 countries across the globe. Sun Pharma is the number one and largest pharmaceutical company in India with over 8% of market share in the domestic market. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Eligibility: only pass out candidates of last 2 years can apply. Valid Aadhaar number or national identity card should be there. Program framework: 12 months of paid apprenticeship with on-the-job training, can be adjustable with a night and day shift. Government recognizes Sun Pharma certificate on successful completion of the training program will be given. Role is apprentice trainee. Industry is a pharmaceutical and life science. Function area is production manufacturing. Industry candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through the link as shown on screen. Next is apprenticeship trainee at ACG Associated Capsules Private Limited, Mumbai. ACG Associated Capsule Private Limited, the world's only integrated pharma manufacturing solution company with over 50 years of experience in pharma manufacturing. ACG demonstrates its internationally recognized pharma expertise every day. We function in 4 major verticals: capsules, films and foils, engineering and inspection. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Desired candidate profile: diploma in mechanical engineering only, 2020, pass out or less than 1 year of experience. Interested in apprenticeship for period of 1 year. Position, requirement and details. Requirement in ACG Capsules, location will be in Mumbai. Roles and responsibilities: planning, scheduling, coordinating, and staffing of shift activities to meet the production targets and achieve the desired quality. In particular, will be responsible for managing all above shift activities for entire whole or all machines. Training will be provided. Role is apprentice trainee. Industry type is pharmaceutical. Function area is production. Interested candidates can send your latest CV to the mail ID as shown on screen. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next government and private jobs for diploma mechanical video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.